iSpace Foundation is a tech and innovation hub based in Accra, Spintex. We are focused on supporting the local tech and entrepreneurial ecosystem in Ghana. One of iSpace's vision is to increase the number of young people we train in technology and in business development. So working with Ghana Tech Labs on this program has been a good experience. It's been a good learning curve for both organizations, and also an experience for the young innovators that we have on the program.
I never had any experience when it comes to coding or web development. I just saw it and I wanted to test it.
I feel so great because I'm looking at where I started from, having no knowledge in web development, and where I've gotten to now with the level of knowledge I have in technology, especially in web development. It's a great impact to my life.
I feel good because I've gotten a new knowledge and skill that I can add to what I have so far.
It has been an awesome experience, right from coding and with the people I've met, my teachers at iSpace. It has been good so far.
It's been challenging. It's been challenging, I must say. But then we've been able to sail through.
It has been hard, but at the same time it has been great. Because it's really interesting to where you have to take people who have like no knowledge, then explain what is programming to them, the whole idea, the power of computers and all that. And some of them, it looks like this is like magic or out of the blue, or like you can't do this. Then you have to like break it down for them, use concepts outside of the class to explain it. Then when they get it, there's this nice expression on their face, like they get it. And with time, they've come better, they understand it now, they are no longer scared of computers and code anymore. Coding is really interesting, at the same time it can be really frustrating, especially when you are beginning and you don't understand some of the concepts. But with time and constant practice, they'll get there. So I'm going to tell them to be patient with themselves. They should learn harder, they should learn more, they should go outside, work on any project. There is no such thing as a small project or like a useless project. Everything out there is helping us to learn. So they should just go out there and then build stuff and then keep improving upon themselves.
I would like to say a thank you to GTL for making this possible.
I want to thank GTL for bringing this program up, and it has really helped a lot.